How can you just walk into my privacy, into my property and begin to move around without any permission? Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, okay? My name is Efe.
What about Efe? What about it? Who are you?
It's okay. I guess you don't recognize the person standing in front of you. Let me make it straight. My name is Efe, the winner of Big Brother Africa. Efe based on logistics. The man with swag.
Wait a minute. You're kidding me, right?
No, I don't joke with things like this. See, the swagger's burning on fire based on logistics.
Hey! Efe of Big Brother Africa.
Based on logistics.
The Efe that everybody knows.
Loud it, bro.
Hey! I said it when I see this big Efe where you wear. That is Ephesus. Efe must be Ephesus. That's it. In my compound.
Yeah.
That means God has remembered me.
Of course.
What brought you? What can I offer you?
Well, I am on a missionary quest, visiting different states, trying to empower their youths. But unfortunately, your state, or should I say your community, is found worthy. I want to bring in some social variety, TV programs, let them know that entertainment has money. Money we talk about, for the rich dudes like us, we call it Benjamins. Try to empower them. I think it's time the youth stop running around doing some petty business, selling what you guys call fufu. No. Don't do that shit. Let them come and make good use of their brains, what God has given to them. So I decided that, I was told actually that they have a vacancy here, so I just came to check.
Wait a minute. Now,
sorry, I don't mean to cause you BP. Take it.
I feel like fainting.
No, take it.
Because it's called for wow. But the next thing that will follow is gonna wow. Then I know. You know what I mean?
That's what.
In my compound.
Yeah.
My village youth. You want to open TV apartment for them?
No. It's called TV program.
Oh dear.
Or you can say TV. A TV program, yeah, that's
TV.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, that's based on logistics.
You're welcome.
Yeah,
you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
So
you
said I should do what for you?
Yes, I actually needed a small place where I would lay my head. Where I go about giving the publicity to the entire community. I decided not to come with my private jet, 64 engine Karat. Have you heard of that? Private jet that moves the land.
Igbo Karat.
64 engine Karat.
Ooh.
Yeah. If I roll that stuff, because such a product with huge amount of money, you don't drive it, you roll it. Based on logistics. So I don't feel like I don't want to come with that. Let me play it low. Like low, just like that song,
Yeah. Okay, I almost mistook you for someone else. I was thinking it's all these vandalizers.
No,
somebody have come to vandalize my compound. Thank God you spoke out. If not, Dorima.
Do you know the first time I went to Britain, the president mistook me for one of their. When I said no, this is Efe based on logistics. Man, money start coming into my account. Yeah. So I've come to bless your community actually.
Wow.
And by the grace of God, before I spend like a month, I will try to see how I can liberate you from this old pattern of building. Yeah, get some POP, some chandeliers, and don't worry, you enjoy me. Trust me, you enjoy me.
Okay, man.
Yeah, I just want to put it low. I don't want any form of kidnap.
It's okay. In fact, you are a great man.
Really.
I am happy that at least you chose to come to my village.
Of course.
Because as I am here, I just returned to just hide out. If I had brought all my machines and packed them here, there would be no space for my tenants to park.
You can say that again.
Because you know me as very, very well. This house is the smallest house I have ever had.
Wow.
Yes, the smallest, because it was my father's house. But in this place, if I tell you the people that packed out from this place, even Ojuku of Igbo land, you know Odumegwu Ojuku?
Yeah, of course.
The same room here, this room is locked. permanently in the memory of Ojukwu.
Wow.
Any day you remember this room, remember Ojukwu.
Wow.
During the war, they used to come here for their hideout.
Wow.
He was a refugeum in this room. The whole ammunition that he used to fight war was packed here. Wow. After the war, it was discovered in this room.
Wow.
The people that have lived in this compound, if I tell you, in fact, you have just zoomed it into government arenas apartments. Because as for me, you know me now, president of Togo here, you know president of Togo,
yeah,
his cousin that is the president of Uganda, we eat and dine together. Wow. The day I came back to this village, they brought me, everybody was singing my praise. So I said, no, why would I have this big house here and nobody's living it? That is why I say I have to throw it open for people to come in and rent and live and establish. So like I was saying, I am a big man. I am made. I am not just an ordinary person. You know Zubi Michael of Nigerian Nollywood of course. Zubi Michael lived here.
Whoa.
Before he became a Zendiara and before Araba was in Shinkokashia, Banyezi, Zendiara, Gogo, Bido doings and all that things, na choke. Now here he choke, he almost choke here. Choke, I won't get choke, creator to Buya won't pay. Yeah, this is a choke. Choke me, what was there from here? You know Mama G now. Patience was up.
Of course, now
she got born again in this compound.
Really?
Yes, she encountered Christ. Wow. Celebrity compound. And me kuza about Jerry Williams.
Wow.
Jerry Williams, you know he used to have that.
Yeah.
Na compound that kala that boy is here.
This is awesome.
You know, I call it awesome. Well, I hear this woman, in Njideka. Okay.
I can't
yes, the fair one.
Yeah.
Woo! Her music was waxed here.
Don't say it.
The video was shot. Everything about that video, you were from their beginning to the end of their video. Season 1 to season was shot in this compound. They didn't step an inch.
Wow.
We used to have underground distance here.
Okay, I saw
yes, I had to demolish it because of the trooping in of people.
Oh, wow.
Celebrity compound. Was it Diamond Okechi? Before I saw one party, Ngaka no party, I party just see you. Party Diamond Okechi, party Zoya. Before I saw them party, he was parried here. So there is nothing you can tell me that can I. The main ogwego na compound that ewo jiri gwa ogwego mbuzo woni me compound that can of where maka DM kruwura
Can you also stayed?
So can you go to the back? I will show you near the generator house. That was where he lived.
Wow.
I watch ogwego ewo jiri gwa ogwego bia nga abale ona na-ete kala ya obekata oh yeah, let me now shock you. Let me now put you in the mood of munga. You know this compound. The reason I said this compound is a celebrity compound. You know Pete Edochie. You know Pete Bubediko of Igbo.
Of course.
Lion of Africa.
Of course.
You know him very well.
I know him very well.
Pete Edochie lived here. In fact, it was from this compound Keshi Sheye Bubedike. Boy, a lion Garirienga. Lion of Africa. The same lion ventured from the bush into this compound. Lion. By the time he shot lion from the power given to him in this compound, now with our people now crown him Lion of Africa. Wow. All these people that did living in bondage, from A to my Andy Okeke, they all lived in bondage in this compound. Wow. This is a celebrity compound. They lived in bondage. From here, they now started getting their freedom. Wow. So this is a celebrity compound. You are welcome.
You've done no
Efe of Guinea, Big Brother Africa.
Based on logistics.
Welcome to a Big Brother compound. I usher you into my compound. I will give you a bigger room for a bigger personality. Don't worry. Come. Oh, Efe is my house. Yeah. Right. You have we don't have
you will have to cement this place if I must stay there and probably do a repainting based on logistics.